Back, I got called. Sorry, bud. But hey, I'm here. Might be your only chance to talk to me. I might be able to pick you up on recording. Are you a little mad they're tearing into your house, like I said? It's all to save it. I was getting something. There, now it's gone. I don't want to go too close because they do say trespassing. Whoa. Is that you? You up on the porch now? Huh? Can I see that? They say this place is supposedly haunted. I think it's active. I think it's active.